Hello and welcome to the video on technical issues in ECMP, UCL and CELC clients. In this video, we will identify the technical issues that operators face in ECMP, UCL and CELC clients. Let's begin with the scenario. Meet Vikas, a junior operator, and Manasa, a senior operator working at Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Vikas is enrolling a resident for Aadhaar. While enrolling, Vikas faces a technical error in ECMP client. He approaches Manasa for help. Manasa helps him and solves the issue. Vikas thanks Manasa and asks her how to resolve such technical and other issues in future. Manasa gives some suggestions for such issues. Let us look at the issues and the suggestions. Some of the major issues include client login issues, ECA and ECMP, client registration issues, onboarding issues, operator sync issues, client freeze issues, and packet uploading issues. Let us know more about each issue in detail. Local verification service occurs if the LVS file is corrupted or the QSSITV service is not running or corrupted. In this case, rename or delete the LVS folder and then restart the service. Most of the times, it works if the QSSITV service is not corrupted. Follow the path shown on the screen to access the location of the LVS folder. OUC version related issue occurs while launching ECA or ECMP. This occurs if the OUC version is not updated during the upgrade. In order to run the Aadhaar client, the OUC version should be up to date with respect to that particular client version. Follow the path shown on the screen to access the location. The going visual issue occurs when the seed file is not extracted properly. The issue can be solved by following a few steps. You need to go to Services and stop all 4 Aadhaar related services. Go to the path shown on the screen and extract the latest client OTA version available in the folder and place it in the Aadhaar enrollment client folder. Then the system will ask to replace the file. Go back to Services and start all 4 Aadhaar related services and try again. Application version invalid issue occurs if the client version file in the Aadhaar enrollment client is invalid or missing. To resolve this issue, we need to follow a few steps. They are: check the version file in the given location. If the file is empty or if there is incorrect version, then we need to replace it with the latest version file. To rename or replace it, go to the path shown on the screen and extract the zipped ECMP client version file in it. After extraction, we will have the version file inside it. Need to copy and paste it in the main folder. Copy of the enrollment client issue occurs if the client is not registered in ECA. So, log into ECA and check if the client is registered. If yes, please re-onboard the operator to log in to the Aadhaar client software. Client decommissioned issue occurs if the client is decommissioned from back-end through client or EA portal. So, it is suggested to contact EA admin to re-register the client and follow the 2-step registration process again. Next, let us look at client registration issues. Basic checks for client registration issue are: check if the machine ID is active, check if machine ID, EA code, registrar code and station ID combination matches, check if the client version is the latest, check if the EA admin username and password combination matches, check if it is a whitelisted client or non-whitelisted client, and check if it is having good internet speed. Registration with CIDR failed due to network error. This issue will be resolved by changing the data card or network connectivity. Then, try registering the client. This error will also occur if firewall is enabled in EA's intranet. While registration, login authentication failed issue occurs only when the EA admin username and password mismatch. So, check if EA admin username is valid and active in database. Also, check if machine ID and station ID match and the recent client version is installed. Ask the operator to try with correct password or contact EA admin. Registration with CIDR failed due to a failure to update local data. To solve this issue, check if the machine ID is active. Check if machine ID, EA code, registrar code, and the station ID combination matches. Check if the client version is the latest. Check if the EA admin username and password combination matches. Check if it is a whitelisted client or non-whitelisted client. Check if it is having good internet speed. Next, let us look at onboarding issues. Basic checks for onboarding issue. Pre-sync check. Latest client version. Biometric lock. System time synced with internet time. Aadhaar services are running. Good internet speed. And recent biometrics update done. Internal error while onboarding occurs if the two-step registration is pending. If all the basic checks done and even the two-step registration is completed and still you are getting internet error or authentication failed error while onboarding, then change the network and try once again. If the issue is not resolved, then contact the regional office concerned with the given details. ECA logs need to be analyzed if two-step registration is already done. Logs location is shown on the screen. Authentication failed while onboarding occurs.
Operator Aadhaar is suspended or biometrics is locked.
In some cases, we get this error if two-step registration is pending. Also, you need to check if the operator has updated biometrics recently. If not done, it is recommended to update the biometrics. Next, let us look at operator sync issues. Failed to sync operator details with server error occurs if the two-step registration is pending. If all the basic checks are done and even the two-step registration is completed and still you are facing the same issue, that is, failed to sync operator details with server, then it is suggested to change network and try once again. ECA logs need to be analyzed if the two-step registration is already done. Logs location is shown on the screen. Failed to sync operator details due to network issue. To fix this issue, check the following points and then try registering. Check if the system time setting is set to internet time and it is synced. Otherwise, set it to internet time and sync it once. Turn off or disable any antivirus and firewall installed. Check if the network connection is proper and try with different networks. If you are using whitelisted client, then try only with whitelisted network. After changing the network, if the issue persists, ask the operator to contact the regional office concerned with the error logs and the fresh clear error screenshot mentioning which network was used for sync. Error while calling admin server request. Ask the operator to re-onboard once in ECA to resolve this issue. If the issue persists, ask the operator to contact the regional office concerned with the error logs and the fresh clear error screenshots, mentioning which network was used for sync. The log location of the directories: runtime DB directory, SVC logs directory, logs directory. Invalid supervisor or invalid association for registrar or agency issue might occur if the operator ID is inactive or suspended. Please contact the regional office concerned for further details. Error connecting to authentication server occurs if the operator Aadhaar is suspended or biometric is logged. In some cases, we need to check if the operator has updated biometrics recently. If not done, it is recommended to update biometrics. Operator sync failed due to station registration blocked due to security reason. This issue occurs when the station ID is blocked in the server. So, we suggest the operator to contact the EA admin concerned and deregister the client and re-register and follow the two-step registration process to resolve this issue. Next, let us look at client freeze and packet uploading issues. Client freeze issue occurs due to unuploaded packets reached the maximum from the client end. So, it is suggested to restart the Aadhaar OTA update client service and keep the system connected to good internet speed so that the packets will be uploaded. after all the packets are uploaded from the operator end, do the operator sync again. After this, the client will be automatically unfreeze. For any further technical queries, operators can contact the regional office concerned. To find out the contact details of regional offices, visit. Let us quickly recap the major issues and the solutions we discussed. Client login issues, ECA and ECMP, client registration issues, onboarding issues, operator sync issues, client freeze issues, and packet uploading issue. Vikas thanks Manasa for explaining the issues and suggestions to resolve them. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you have understood the suggestions for resolving the technical issues that operators face in ECMP, UCL, and CELC clients. Thank you.